World Food Day 2021, presented by the pupils of Room 6. Article 6. Life, survival and development. Every child has the right to life. Governments must do all they can to ensure that children survive and develop to their full potential.
Article 24. Health services. Every child has the right to the best possible health. Governments must provide good quality health care, clean water, nutritious food, and a clean environment, and education on health and well-being so that children can stay healthy. Richer countries must help poorer countries achieve this.
What is World Food Day?
About World Food Day. World Food Day is an event organized by the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. It brings together governments, business, and media and general public to raise awareness and take action for those who suffer from hunger and for the need to ensure healthy diets for all. Each year, lots of different events take place around the world to celebrate World Food Day, such as marathons, hunger marches, expeditions, cultural performances, contests, and concerts. This year, the event will be held on the 16th of October.
More than 3 billion people, almost 40% of the world's population, cannot afford a healthy diet.
Almost 2 billion people are overweight and obese due to poor diet and sedentary lifestyle.
Related healthcare costs could exceed $1.3 trillion per year by 2030.
The World Agri-Food System currently employs 1 billion people, more than any other sector.
The world's food systems are currently responsible for more than 33% of global anthropogenic greenhouse gas emissions.
Fourteen percent of world's food is lost due to inadequate harvesting, handling, storage, and transit, and 17% is wasted at consumer level.
Our actions are our future. Climate change is continuing to challenge poorer farmers in rural areas. The way we produce, use, and waste food is taking its toll on our planet's natural resources, environment, and climate. COVID-19 global health crisis have been a time to think about all the things we truly cherish, as well as our most basic needs. In doing so, many people have found a renewed appreciation for food, something that many take for granted, and sadly, many must go without.
Nature can teach us how to look after our planet. It provides us with the essentials that we need, such as food, water, clean air, medicine, and materials for shelter.
Trees clean our air, but they also provide nutrients for food. This is part of the agri-food system, similar to ecosystem, in that everything is connected.
It's important that we stop to appreciate what we have. We have been producing, consuming and wasting food for too long, and now is the time to take action. What can can we do? There are many things we can do, such as not wasting food, choosing seasonal foods, growing food at home, choosing local foods, and choosing a healthy and diverse source of foods.